According to reports, one of Russia's most visible symbols of sea power won't emerge from refit for at least another 2 years. Admiral Kuznetsov, Russia's one and only aircraft carrier, will now re-enter service in 2024 at the earliest, 7 years after it went into dry dock for much-needed upgrades. Once complete, Kuznetsov should be able to spend another 10 to 15 years in service. That the defects in the ship's upgrade work have pushed back its return to sea. This is not entirely unexpected, as Kuznetsov's return has met repeated delays over the past 4 years. Admiral Kuznetsov is approximately 1,000 feet long and displaces 58,000 tons fully loaded. The ship was designed to accommodate an air wing of 24 Su-33 Flanker D and MiG-29 jet fighters, plus 6 helicopters. In addition to its aircraft, Kuznetsov is equipped with 12 large P-700 Granit anti-ship missiles. Admiral Kuznetsov entered dry dock for a technology refit in 2017 and was supposed to be complete by 2020 but has been plagued with issues ever since. In 2018, PD-50, the only aircraft carrier capable of handling the ship, sank while Kuznetsov was departing it. The carrier suffered damage when a 70-ton crane attached to the dry dock collapsed, smashing a 16-foot wide hole in the side of the ship. A need to repair the damage from the incidents and complete the refit pushed the return to service date to 2021. Yet the delays continued. In 2020, the return date was again pushed back to 2022. In 2021, the date was pushed back again to 2023. Now, the ship is due to be completed in 2024. What was originally supposed to be a 3-year upgrade will take at least 7 years now, meaning the refit is taking half as long as the most optimistic estimate of how long it will keep the aging ship in service. In the mid-1980s, the Soviet Union built Admiral Kuznetsov at the Nikolaev shipyards, now part of Ukraine. Kuznetsov is a sister ship of China's aircraft carrier Liaoning. Russia inherited the ship after the collapse of the USSR. So, will Kuznetsov ever return to service? Russia's economy is projected to enter a recession later this year as a direct result of NATO sanctions levied against it for the invasion of Ukraine. The refit was already trimmed back once due to financial considerations. If a stalled defense budget or another serious setback takes place, Moscow could find itself wishing Kuznetsov went down into the depths of the Norwegian Sea, along with her dry dock.